So you're thinking about getting the GoPro HERO Black? I think this is an awesome camera. I'm doing an unboxing. We're going to take a look at everything in the package. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. We're taking a look at the GoPro 8 Black.
Okay, hey, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Appreciate you tuning in for this one. I'm doing an unboxing of the HERO 8 Black. Just picked this up. I know this is an awesome camera. I've had other ones in the past. I want to see what's in this special bundle kit that I picked up. Let's take a look at it real quick here. I already pre-opened it, so this is not a paid sponsorship at all. I bought this with my own money. GoPro paid me nothing to talk about this at all. I just want to give you my opinion, and we're just doing an unboxing and see what comes in the package, okay? So let's take a look at this here. So it comes in a nice soft case, so I like this. This is a nice travel case. It's got a good handle on it, so when you're traveling, you know, doing your shots and you're on the road or whatever, the nice soft protective case. So what we have inside the case is, and the first thing I see here is a 32 gig micro SD card with the adapter, so you can plug it to your computer and do your downloads and get everything ready for that. That's in there. And also, there's a little guide in here. What's in the package? Basically some information, things like that, and a GoPro manual that's very tiny print. Good luck reading that. And nobody really reads it anyway, so that's great. Okay, so
just want to take a minute here to thank you so much for watching my video. Do appreciate that. Please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. It does help support my channel. Let's get back into the unboxing.
We have a couple of different mounts. Okay, so it comes with there's one mount. Comes with the charging cable in the package, a mounting screw. Okay. Comes with another mount, and this basically is a self-adhesive mount here, and you mount this on like a helmet or maybe a surfboard. If you want to get some cool, kind of cool shots and stuff like that. This is this, or in your car even. You can even use this in your car. If you want to use this as a dash cam, you could. Another thing with this kit, comes with 2 batteries. Okay, so 2 batteries is really kind of cool. I do like that a lot. So 2 batteries is really nice. That's really important. And also it comes with a handle. So this is really nice soft handle, not too big. It's not extendable at all. This is just a basic handle with a grip on it. And so you can put this on your wrist, lock this down, and that way if you're doing some shots or if you're doing some really kind of cool, either skateboarding or whatever you're doing, you can have this on your hand and you won't drop it. Something happens, if you lose your grip on it, you won't lose it with the wrist security wrist, whatever you want to call that. Okay, so it comes with that, which is really nice. I like this a lot. The build on everything, cars up this on, all high quality. Okay, so you just can't go wrong within this bundle. The 2 batteries are really good to have. And let's see what else we have in here. I do like the soft case and the camera itself. This is just a quick unboxing. We'll do a full review on shoot some footage on it, and we'll look at everything. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe below. That way you won't miss that. You'll see the test. I shoot everything with like a camcorder style. So this is something kind of cool if you really want to get some special shots. And with this camera, nice build, I have to tell you. Nice. This is a really high quality item. I tell you, this is really nice. And all the GoPro products are really nice. I mean, everything they do is all high quality. It's got the fold down mount here, which is really nice. So let's see if you can see that. Okay, these fold down, they go up. So if you want to do something on a flat surface, you don't have to worry about it. You can just keep it flat like that. Okay, or if you want to mount it, you have the flip up. You mount that, and basically you stick it onto your any of your universal mounts. Basically, tighten down the screw, and that's basically how that works. And I'm sure you all know that as well. So that's really kind of cool. But okay, let's take a look at this. We're gonna take this out. We're gonna open this up. Okay. And let's open that up. We're going to put the battery in here. We're going to put the SD card in here. We're going to charge this up. We're going to take it out on the field, basically. We're going to download the app from GoPro. Don't forget to do that. And we're going to do a firmware update. And that's what we have to do to get going. All right, guys. So that's it. I wanted to show you the quick unboxing for what I have on this kit. I'll leave some links below where you can pick up your own GoPro. This is probably far I'm concerned, probably one of the best items they've come out with so far. Far as you can go underwater with it. You can use it for sports. This is just a rugged item. This is a really super nice 4K. You can do slow motion. They have burst. They have tons and tons of settings. There's too many settings to even go over right now. I just wanted to do this unboxing, show you what I got in the kit. Subscribe below and you'll see all the updates as far as the performance, what we do, and all that kind of stuff. All right, guys, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the GoPro 8 Black. I think this camera is quite awesome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate that. It does help support my channel, and that's what it's all about. I hope I brought some value to you and to show you what I have here. And that's it for me. Okay, guys, appreciate you tuning in. Until the next one, I'll see you at the next review.